Premon Play. Today I will show you how to upgrade a Windows 10 PC to Windows 11. First of all, you should download the ISO file from an authorized Windows site. It is the genuine site. You can download that. This is the ISO file. Just right click and click mount. After that, you should run the setup as an administrator. Now you will get a Windows 11 setup pop-up menu. Just go to the how to set up download updates and download updates and driver optional features. It's recommended. Select not right now if you don't have an internet, then click next. It will take a while. After taking a while, you can see this message is coming. We could not update the system reserved partition, and I will show you how to make this right and install Windows 11 in this laptop. Now first of all, you must go to the search bar and type cmd and run this as administrator. Then you should type this command mount mount volume space y full colon then space slash yes. You can see here. Then press enter. Then go to y full colon, then press enter, and then cd EFI, then slash Microsoft slash boot slash phones. Then press enter. Then type del space star full stop, again star, then press enter. You will be asked for yes or no. Then type yes, enter. Then just minimize this one or close this one, there is no issue, and then go back and again do the same. Now you can see applicable notices and license. Then just go to accept. You can keep the personal files and select yes. This is the next message. Continuing with the installation, Windows will change your display language. No issue. Just press OK. And you can see you can change this if you want anything to customize, and then press next. It is a lengthy process.